guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. It's lunchtime and I'm going to be fixing some hot bologna sandwiches. But it's not what you think. Now, I've told y'all before, I lived up north in West Virginia and Ohio for 12 years. And this recipe comes from West Virginia. It's a hot bologna sandwich. What it is you want to get some thick cut bologna and Texas Pete. Alright. Thick cut just works best. And we're going to eat it on toast. And all you do, I love Texas Pete because to me it's not that hot. And I love it on pork, sausage, pork roast, sausage, anything like that. Alright. I'm going to let these cook a little bit. I'm not going to sit here and make y'all watch because y'all know this thing is slow. My burner, but it's convenient. Alright, we'll bring you back when I'm going to get ready to turn them over and take them off. Okay, don't stand over that and breathe it in. We're also having, with our lunch, some of the Italian pasta salad I made last night. One thing about it, the next day, you may have to add some more dressing to it because it soaks in. Alright. This is just, like I said, a quick lunch, but it's so good, and Tony actually likes it. Ooh, that's hot. Now I've got some mayonnaise on the toast. Diagonal. Oops. I always make a mess, I know that. Like I said, this is your hot bologna sandwich. It's not what you think. It's not just fried bologna. It's fried, but it's got hot sauce on it. I mean, you can use whatever hot sauce you want. I just happen to like Texas Pete's. Alright guys, like I said, this is our hot bologna sandwiches. I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Share this out on your social media. Let me know if you like fried bologna sandwiches or you think you'd like this. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, lunch is ready. See y'all later. Bye.